Well, let's put on the snow gear.
Yep, let's go skiing.
Mom, Dad, I've been hit. It's video fever. Mommy, can I get it? It's Johnny. You guys. But the person you really want to see is me. Indy. Don't look at wherever that bird is. Just look at me. Sarah, get off my head. Me in here.
No.
I wonder why I have green hair.
They're all running to go on. No.
Hey, is he getting the new one? He's just on.
Standing on the other side. Both girls get on it when you stand there. You see the ground go like this, and all of a sudden you don't see any ground anymore. That's what I know. Fall out of that.
Well, it's looking good. Coming along there, yeah?
We want to know if
Bubba?
it's true that Joe only drinks beer on the job.
Blinking
And
now.
check all the buttons, because I don't know what's going on with that thing. I'm a rookie.
That would give us something to do.
I can bang the nails, but I don't know how to bang the camera.
You have to see the bird
Hey, look at it. What do you think, Shaka? You want a snack?
No.
Fetch.
Made it up to the ridge.
Good enough.
What happened, Rod? Got a cold today? Yeah.
T-shirts. Follow me. Yeah. Come here, Michael.
Now that thing's a beauty under there.
I gotta show you something down here.
There's our waistline. Where it goes, nobody knows.
The vent was
This tape is not meant for the building inspector. Straighten out that chimney. Yank those windows out. So we got 3, 4, 5 windows. The insulation's done inside. The wiring's all roughed in. The plumbers are scheduled to show up today. Today's our 12th full day on the job. It's one of those piece by piece, step by step. Nail a white cedar shingle one at a time. Well, Joe, you gonna give us a couple pointers on the cedar sidewall installation? Well, Joe, you gonna give us a couple pointers on the cedar sidewall installation? He speaks English too.
Trick shot, huh?
Here we are, take 2. first attempt in the existing dug well. Only gained 5 feet, which wasn't enough to do anything. Now we're trying to